All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Jordan, also known as Golden Shadow online. And here I have this Rubik's Cube that arrived in the mail about a week ago. And this is the Moyu WRM 2020. And I bought this after about 4 years of not solving a Rubik's Cube. Um, and I wanted to kind of document my progress relearning it because I had forgotten everything except for how to solve the bottom layer. Um, and so I've been relearning it using the beginner's method on by a website named someone made by someone named Felix Zemdegs, who's a very famous speed cuber. I'm sure everyone here on this forum knows him. But that's the method I'm using, and I'm going to be scrambling the cube using an algorithm given on this website and timing myself to see how long it takes me to solve it here. And I'll be reading off the algorithms as I go here. So we have the first one is L2, D prime, R2, U2, R, L, B, R, U2, F, U, D2, R prime, U prime, B prime, R, B prime, U prime, L2, and R2. Okay. Okay. All right, so that first one was 1 minute and 26 seconds. And I think I'll do 3 solves here. And so the second one is B prime, F, R prime, B, U prime, F prime, D, R, D prime, L, R, B prime, U, F prime, R prime, F2, B, L2, B, and R2. Okay. All right, second solve about 127 there. Um, and the last one here is D2 L prime F prime L prime D2 U prime F U prime L prime B R D L2 D B2 U prime L prime R2 B and R prime. Okay. Oh, oops. All right, a bit longer on the last one. That was about 1:52. I did mess up a couple times. Um, but so my best was 1 minute and 26 seconds. My worst was 1:52. My average was 1 minute and 35 seconds. And the median time, the middle one, would have just been 1:27. Um, and so, yeah, those are three solves just to kind of get an idea of where things are, especially when I'm doing it more methodically rather than trying to speed through it too fast. So I still make some mistakes sometimes, but I think I've got the method down. Like, it's not so much that I'm worried about solving it, or anything like that. Now I know I can solve it. It's more just about uh, making sure I do the right algorithms at the right time. But I know the algorithms now, and they're getting in my fingers here. So um, yeah, I'm going to be possibly documenting my progress here as I kind of get back into it, and learn, probably a different method besides the beginner method. But I might stick around with this one for a little bit, maybe a week or so, to just to see what I can do. I'm still really enjoying solving it this way, so why not continue? All right, hope you've enjoyed watching. Take care.